Welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to use green screen on CapCut. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut here. Now click on create project. Now select the videos that you want to add. After selecting it, drag your videos here on your timeline. First you have to add your background video and then put the green screen video like this. Now I want to remove the green screen from this video. For this you have to go to here and now click on remove BG. Then you guys can find out chroma key. Now take the color picker from here and put it here. You guys can also customize the intensity like this, and also you guys can find out the shadow option here. After customizing it, you guys can find out the result. See, the background is now removed. To import the video, click here, then click on import again. Now it will be imported into your device. So this is how you guys can use green screen on CapCut. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.